Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. So life has been hella crazy lately. Um, I'm in the process of moving like 3 hours away to be with my partner. Um, and I got a new full-time job in that area. So now I'm commuting partially from there to that job, but then also from here because I have to pack up my whole house in the next couple of weeks. So, yeah, that and I had a family member pass away. So, there's just a lot that's been going on. So, I appreciate everyone's patience with me as life can be crazy. Normally, I wouldn't always pack wearing pantyhose, but I just got home from work. So I thought I would just wear my cute little outfit that I was wearing to work. And you guys can watch me pack a box if you want or not while I wear pantyhose. Um, you guys have seen these pantyhose before. They're really cute. They have the flower accents on them. Um, I really love them. They add a little bit of like fun to any like bleh outfit. I've also worn this like corduroy skirt before, but it is fall season ish now. So it's time to bring that back into rotation. And I've got this cute like little sweater shirt thing. Um, so yeah, this is what I've been wearing. I'm wearing some like blue new glasses that I have. So I look extra studious. Also adds a nice pop of color and it goes with the blue in my pantyhose. But yeah, I also have to take like the paintings off my wall. And I would not say do this, like, don't do this at home, but you probably can reach things better than I can. But I'm going to climb on this uh, to do it. So, anyway, I hope y'all have been good lately and that life is treating you well. I probably shouldn't have put those up with some like tacks because now I'm going to have to deal maybe with a damage deposit situation, but who cares? I actually made this frame. Like I repurposed an old frame and then I put all like the twine and stuff on it. This is turning more into like a show and tell versus like a packing video. But I really love it. And I got this like piece of art in Cuba when I went there last year with my family. And I had a wall of women because women are wonderful. But I gotta take it down. I genuinely dislike packing, like so much because I just I hate the process of that was a lot easier than anticipated. I just hate the process of taking things down or like putting things away in general. So doing it for moving feels like even more cumbersome, but I'm doing it to be with the man I love and I'm super excited. Um, it's kind of funny how when you're actually in love, you're willing to do a lot of things you weren't willing to when you weren't actually. Like, for example, the guy I dated before this really wanted me to move in with him. But he had lived like 10 minutes away from me. And I told him it would be too far of a commute to my job. And that I just like wasn't willing to do that. But then I broke up with him for various reasons. Um, one of them being like I absolutely was not like in genuine love with him and he was a man baby, as many are. Not all, many are. Um, but I realized that like when you're actually in love, you're super willing to do things that you wouldn't normally. Like drive 3 hours each way to go to a job and then go home and pack everything up just to do it every single day for multiple weeks on end before, just so you could be with someone. So it's a little life lesson with Layla, I guess, on love. That if things don't come like super easy, or it's just like really easy to find a reason not to do something with someone, maybe they're not your person. I feel like I'm going to need a step stool to take those two down. So I'm just not going to do that. But if you see over here, I have like a bunch of boxes that have packed. My boyfriend took up a lot of my stuff already. Well, not a lot, but he took up like a load of stuff to where we're going, put it into storage. My goodness, I'm gonna have to get I'm just gonna get a chair. Took a bunch up. So it's kind of happening in big, like little increments at first, but we are renting a big truck and moving everything in 2 weeks. So life is just gonna be pretty chaotic for the next little bit, but for the best possible reasons. But yeah, usually I just wear like comfy clothes. Not that pantyhose aren't comfortable, like as you've seen me do lots of things. Pantyhose are super comfortable for like all sorts of different things. Toss this out because I hate mess. You wouldn't be able to tell though because my house is a fucking disaster. I'm gonna have to bleep that one out. But yeah, I don't love messes. I hate messes. But moving makes it hard to keep your house organized because you're packing all this stuff up all the time. My problem right now is I'm like partially here and partially not. So I don't know. It's kind of like I have to live out of this space, but I also have to pack up this space. So it's tricky, you know, like it's tricky. And then some of the stuff, it's like, am I gonna take it with me or am I just gonna get rid of it? And it's just like this gigantic process, which I really love about moving actually, is like the decluttering. Like for example, this air diffuser, I never use it. I have this big donation box that I put everything in. And in my building, people usually put stuff in it and say like free. Like there are definitely some more less fortunate beings in my apartment building. Like I would say some of it's like rent controlled. They're lower income. So there are a lot of people that are a little bit less fortunate than others. So I like to, my God, why is this being so hard? Okay. I like to donate stuff when I can. And moving's a great time to do that, honestly. An old friend of mine found this for me. I say old because we're not friends anymore. But that's not going to fit in there now, is it? Think I'm going to fit in there? No. My God. What am I going to do with this? Anyway, found this for me and gave it to me because it matched the colors of my home. But TBH, I never really used it. So do I even want it? See, that's why it takes me so long to pack things, because I go through this gigantic process of, do I want this or do I not want this? But nonetheless, again, it is worth it to be with my mans. And he's got to pack up his place too, all while doing the same stuff. Because this is so cute. It's a little Halloween thingy. Like, look at how cute that is. I don't want to pack it up, even though I'm going to be out of here before Halloween, but I want to be able to see it. I don't know, I'm a complicated being. Anyways, yeah. Totally worth everything, but it's still a lot. So thank you for your guys' patience while I navigate the busyness of packing up a place, starting a new job, moving into a new home and unpacking there. It's going to be a lot, but I'm really excited. And I can't wait to show you all our new home. I'll definitely give a little bit of a, wouldn't give like a full tour. I'll give you a little, like, obviously I'll shoot some content in the new home and you guys will be able to see it, which will be so nice. But yeah, I guess wearing pantyhose while packing really isn't that bad. And you look cute while doing it. I'm going to try and make more of an effort right now. I just definitely don't have the time to go and do like a studio pantyhose shoot. And I really appreciate your understanding. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I love you guys. Mwah.